Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my Revive review. I'm here inside the members area and today I'm gonna give you a full walkthrough. I'm also going to show you what the prices and upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool juicy bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of Revive. Now, in a nutshell, Revive is a brand new course by this guy called Ashley Perry. He's gonna show you on how to do the launch jacking method. If you don't know what launch jacking is, it's basically creating review videos for upcoming products that are launching soon. I'm here on Monshai and all these products right here are launching. He's gonna teach you on how to launch jack and basically make review videos and get sales. He's going to show you how to build your bonus pages and all that good stuff inside this course. So if you are interested, all you have to do is click the link down below in the description. The first link, come through to my bonus page and click on one of these red buttons. Then you'll be taken to the sales page and you can pick up your copy of Revive. Now, why do you want to do that? Why do you want to pick up via my bonus page? Because only then you're gonna get access to my exclusive bonuses. Feel free to check out what other affiliates are offering in terms of bonuses, but once you realize that my bonuses are the best, I'm pretty sure that my bonuses are the best, you can close this video and watch other videos, but I'm pretty sure, 100% sure, that my bonuses are gonna help you to make money with Revive. These are custom made bonuses for especially made for Revive. I have made these bonuses myself. These are not PLR or some crap courses or crap softwares. These are top-notch softwares, top-notch courses that are gonna help you make money with Revive or make the best out of your purchase. My first bonus is gonna be access to Video Marketing Blaster. Video Marketing Blaster, I'm gonna give you access to the pro version. So you don't have to pay the $47 for the normal version plus the $67 for the pro version. I already gave you access to the pro version. I have never seen any affiliate offer this before, so I'm gonna give you access to this if you decided to pick up via my link. Not only that, I'm gonna give you access to Octane Pro. You can search on YouTube Video Marketing Blaster Pro review and you can check out all the features, then come back to my video and decide if you want to pick up via my bonuses. I'm pretty sure that this is a no-brainer because this software is gonna cost you more than $110. I'm giving it to you for free just for picking up the front end, which is gonna be $9.95. This is only my first bonus. There are more bonuses. My second bonus is I'm gonna give you access to Octane Pro. Octane is a software launched by John Armstrong and Brandon Mays. It's gonna help you to rank your videos via live streaming them to YouTube. Via live streaming them to YouTube. So you're gonna be able to live stream your videos even though they are not really a live stream. All you have to do is upload your video and then it will go ahead and live stream it to YouTube. This is really cool because I'm giving you access to the pro version. Again, if you pay for this, it's gonna cost you more than $100. My third bonus is gonna be access to VidChomper Pro. VidChomper is basically a tool or a software that is gonna allow you to go and search YouTube for Creative Commons videos, and then you can grab two Creative Commons videos and chomp them up together and live stream them to YouTube using Octane to make even more money. You can include your affiliate link or whatever you want to promote in the description of that video. So if you don't want to show your face inside these reviews, I got you covered in VidChomper. It's gonna help you do that quite easily. My fourth bonus is gonna be access to over 60 high quality bonuses because Ashley Perry is gonna teach you on how to create bonuses. I'm giving you over 60 high quality bonuses. Now, what do I mean by 60 high quality? They are not PLR, they are courses and softwares that you can give away on your launch jacking. When you are launch jacking a product, you can give away these bonuses. Actually, there are about 80 or 100 bonuses here. I just say 60 because most of these like there are 60 high quality bonuses, but the others are like PLR and like not high quality. I hope you understand what I'm saying. My fifth bonus is gonna be a hack on how to rank on the #1 spot on YouTube. This is gonna be quite easy since you're gonna be able to use Octane. So Octane, once you live stream your video, it's already gonna be on the third spot. All you have to do is tweak it just a little bit and it will rank to the first spot on YouTube. This is really cool if you are doing launch jacking because ranking is really important. And my last bonus is gonna be access to all the vendors bonuses. I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are gonna be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra bonuses that are gonna help you, that they are gonna help you make the best out of your Revive purchase. Now, if we go to the members area right here, you'll see that we have a couple of modules. We have the introduction module where Ashley Perry introduces himself and he talks about the method inside. We have the first module, we have the concept and checklist, the affiliate link and review access, and introduction and all that good stuff. Module number 2, we have bonus page mega builder. He's going to show you how to build your bonuses inside this module. Module number 3, creating and ranking your video, and we have the case study result and the conclusion and plan. You're going to watch the conclusion right here. He's going to show you, he's going to tell you that you need to keep doing this in order for you to make the most out of launch jacking. And basically at the end we have the upgrades and opportunities. Here you'll see all the upgrades that you can purchase if you didn't pick them up already. Now let's go to the sales page and see the claims made here. Discover the method that revived my bank account so I could live a life of true freedom. Ashley Perry is actually brand new. If we go to his channel and we scroll down, we'll see that he hasn't been making he hasn't been consistent with this method, which is launch jacking. He hasn't been really consistent. He only started being consistent in the last, I believe, 9 months. He has started making reviews 9 months ago. He didn't make that much money back then, but 5 months ago he started making big commissions, $500 days, $300 days, and you can see that inside the sales page right here. He shows you that there are 3 steps. All you have to do is grab your link, which is your affiliate link, obtain the easy system, and get ready to be revived. In step number 3, experience Revive and obtain freedom and money you deserve. Here we have some proof from him. So as you can see, he's making $300 days, $200, $100 days, and $50 days. He's making all this type of money. We have an introduction where he introduces himself right here. He introduces the problem and show you the solution, which is the launch jacking method. You can check out the sales page at your own time. Now let's talk about the prices in Upsell. I hope this review was really good, or it showed you what Revive is and it made you consider picking it up, because it's really important that you start taking action and you start making review videos for you to start succeeding. Because if you don't make review videos, if you don't take action, you'll never actually end up making money. The front end version that I just showed you right here, all this training is gonna cost you $9.95, and I made it a no-brainer with my bonuses. So $9.95, it's really a no-brainer if you pick it up via my bonus page. The upsell number 1 is gonna be the Revive Adrenaline Shot. take an adrenaline shot to boost your commissions. In this upsells, your customer will learn how to 5x. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's another training where he shows you how to 5x your commissions. Basically, I don't think you need this because, quite frankly, with my bonuses, you'll be able to rank your videos. So you'll already be making at least $100 per video you upload. You definitely don't need the adrenaline shot, even though it promises that you'll make 5x or more. However, if you want to pick it out, I don't know what this training is. If you want to pick it out, don't pick it out for $67. You can get it for $47, which is the downsell. Once you purchase the front end, you're gonna be hit with the first upsell. Just scroll down all to the bottom and click on no thanks. You'll be hit with the first downsell where you can pick it up for $47. So that's a $20 win. You can pocket the difference, which is $20 if you decided to pick up the first upsell. The second upsell is going to be Revive Caffeine Audio Booster or Revive Caffeine Booster for $97. Done for you resources. You're going to get done for you resources, access to his bonus pages. If he gives you this for 365 days, you can check it out on the sales page. This makes it a no-brainer, but don't pick it up for $97. So I really advise you pick up the second OTO, but don't pick it up for $97. Again, once you are hit with the second upsell, scroll down to the bottom, click on no thanks. You'll be hit with the downsell for $47, which is the exact same thing for $47. The third upsell, I believe it's called Revive Reseller. You're gonna get reseller rights to Revive. You can sell Revive and make 100% commission on the whole funnel. It's gonna be $67, but you can get it again. You can get it for the downsell price of $47. The upsell number 4 is gonna be the Revive Unlimited Traffic. Take your list building and brand awareness to the next level with unlimited traffic. In this upsell, I will show you how to get huge traffic to your landing page, YouTube channel. This is a really good upsell if you are struggling with traffic. Most newbies are struggling with traffic. So basically, this is a really good OTO. Again, don't pick it up for 67. Go for the downsell with 47. And the last one is gonna be the Revive Masterclass for 197. Lifetime access to Ashley's weekly coaching calls. If you want to be mentored by Ashley, you can go for the Revive Masterclass for 197. But I don't advise you to go with the upsell. Just go with the downsell again and pocket the difference, which is a huge $100. If you want to join his masterclass, just once you are hit with the 5th upsell, scroll down and click on no thanks, and then you'll be taken to the downsell, which is the same exact thing, the Revive Masterclass for $97. Again, what I said is you need to pick up the front end because it's a no-brainer with my bonuses. The first upsell, you don't need it. The second upsell, if you want done for you bonus pages and YouTube design templates and email swipes and all that good stuff, you can pick it up for the downsell for $47. The third upsell, if you want to sell Revive as your own, you can pick it up for $47 at the downsell price. The fourth upsell, it's a no-brainer for $47. So you need to pick up the fourth downsell, not the upsell for $67, but the downsell for $47. And the last one, if you want to be taught or if you want to be mentored by Ashley, you can pick up the masterclass for $97. Again, the downsell price and not the upsell. I hope you like my review. I hope I explained everything to you about Revive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.